Let's look at example 1. Hina's Ferrari goes a distance of 350 km in a time of 2 hours. What was her average speed in km per hour? Now, the question requires us to find average speed in km per hour. And the units that they have used here for distance is kilometer and for time as hour. And what is given to us is also in kilometer and hour. This shows that the units that's being used here are the same. Therefore, we can easily solve this problem. So average speed is equivalent to total distance, which is 350 km, divided by total time taken, which is 2 hours. And the answer would be 175 km per hour.